Hi guys, welcome to my Meticore review. You came here for the same reason all of us have, right? It is to lose weight. Now I found Meticore. Meticore is a new generation of fat burner with a sophisticated formula and has multiple ways of targeting fat and burning it off. Now they have so many satisfied users because it does the job well. And the manufacturer said that this is the safest way to lose weight in a short amount of time. I've been actually taking this supplement for 2 months now, and I do recommend it. So if you are interested, click the link below and get the special discount they have right now. It is when you get 3 bottles, you get an 81% discount. And I want to talk about how it works, how Meticore works. So there are 5 ways that influences the body and targets specific weight loss. These are boosting your energy, elevating your mood, inhibiting the production of fat, fat burning, and appetite suppression. Now, those are the perfect formula for losing weight. When my friends saw that I lost so much weight, they were so curious on how I did it, and I told them I used Meticore. They use it and love it as well. Now, I want to talk about how you use this one. I take 1 pill a day before breakfast with a glass of water because it gives me energy. So I do recommend just using 1 pill a day. Now, this is made from 100% natural ingredients and is clinically tested. I didn't notice any side effects, so I guarantee that this is a safe product. And just a precaution, please do not use this when you're pregnant or if you're breastfeeding or if you have any serious health issues that may interfere with it because you're taking medicine or drugs. And also, make sure that you're legal of age. Now get this on the website, click the link below and get the special discount. They also offer money back, 60-day money back guarantee and ships worldwide. And that wraps up my video for this product. I hope this helped you and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!